Phone-to-phone data transfer with Celebrite Touch is a simple operation. All you need to know is which mobile phone models will be involved in the transfer. If you're unsure of the models, you can usually find the model number on a label underneath the phone's battery. There are 4 steps in the phone transfer process: selecting the source phone, selecting the target phone, selecting what content to transfer, connecting the phones. Select Transfer from the main menu, and the first step is to select the source phone. Select the vendor of the source device from the list. You can scroll down the list of vendors using the on-screen arrows, or you can use the virtual keyboard. Next, select the source phone model on the Select Source Model list. If the phone has more than one connection type, you'll be asked to select your preferred connection type. We always recommend using a cable connection for faster data transfer. The next step is to choose the target phone. Select the target vendor and model just as you did for the source phone. In the next screen, you see the selected source and target phones, the specific cable for each phone, and a list of content types available for transfer. Select the content you wish to transfer. If any content type is grayed out, it is unavailable for this action. Some phones do not enable access to SIM content via the phone. In these cases, select the SIM option as well. If your license includes the Install Content module, the Select Content Pack screen will appear. Select the content packs you want to install on the target phone and click Next. Click Next to continue. A flashing arrow will show you the port for connecting the source phone. After connecting it, click Continue. Similarly, an arrow will guide you for the target phone. If the same cable is required for both phones, select Connect Later. The touch will read the data from the source phone, and when the read process is complete, you'll use the same cable for the target phone. With both phones connected, click Continue, and the data transfer begins. During the transfer, a progress bar shows the current status and statistics. Be sure to note that the touch will overwrite phone book data and text messages on the target phone. For this reason, it is important to be sure that the customer's old phone is connected to the source side only. Once the transfer process is complete, Celebrite Touch displays a transfer summary. The Celebrite Touch can read information directly from any type of SIM card. For SIM transfers, choose Transfer in the main menu. In the source vendor screen, select SIM card. In the target vendor screen, also select SIM card. In the next screen, notice that the only content available for transfer is Phone Book. Click Next to continue. A flashing arrow directs you to insert the source SIM card into the SIM reader slot. Once you've inserted the source SIM, click Continue, and the reading process will begin. When the reading is complete, the touch will guide you to insert the target SIM card. Remove the source SIM from the SIM reader slot and insert the target SIM card in the same slot. Click Continue to complete the process. The writing process to the target SIM card will begin. At the end of the transfer, a summary screen appears.